Hit that follow button. Twitch link in bio.
Yo, if you ain't doing nothing, go hop in my Twitch channel. I'm live right now.
I was screaming, he wouldn't even help. He was lying.
Well, what did you do, Daddy?
He didn't do nothing. He stayed asleep the whole time.
Can I tell my story?
I ain't doing shit, Daddy, but he could have did something about it.
I know, somewhere deep down in my heart, I still love you.
My fingers hurt.
What's that?
My fingers hurt.
Oh, well, now your back's gonna hurt because you just pulled landscaping duty. Anybody else's fingers hurt? I didn't think so.
And he told me, girl, you the best, but I already know what I am. They know I only wanna come over, put it on them. I got that whoa, nah, nah, nah. He drink that shit like water.